Welcome to Best by Report. The best kids painting is probably one of the most exciting and imaginative ways for kids to express themselves. At the ages of 8 to 12, children are developing their skills and creativity, and painting can provide a wonderful outlet for their artistic abilities. In this video, we'll explore the world of painting for kids aged 8 to 12, offering tips, techniques, and inspiration to help young artists thrive. Number 5. JOYEZA Rock Painting Kit Deluxe. This kit is designed to spark creativity in children of all ages. It allows them to create unique rock art and spread positive messages. Kids will have fun from the moment they open the box. It encourages creativity and artistic skill development, offering an alternative to electronic devices. This kit is a great gift for kids. It provides hours of fun with smooth stones, transfer sheets, and vibrant paints. It's also perfect for children's parties. The kit includes 12 rocks, brushes, paints, glitter glue, transfer sheets, googly eyes, and gems. It offers more items than similar products, helping kids develop their artistic skills. All JOYEZA products come with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, you're entitled to a full refund or a free replacement, no questions asked. What we like? This kit comes with a huge variety of supplies, including rocks, paints, and glitter. It's perfect for sparking creativity. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that offers great value and a lifetime guarantee, you should consider this. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to get started, including paints, brushes, and canvases. The step-by-step instructions are easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished paintings look professional and are a great way to decorate a room. Number 4. National Geographic Mega Arts and Crafts Kit. This kit combines 3 popular craft kits into one amazing package. It includes over 100 components, allowing kids to create 19 unique art pieces. They can explore different art forms and unleash their creativity. With this kit, children can create 3 stunning mosaic artworks. They can design their own patterns or use the included templates for inspiration. It's a fun and simple way for them to express themselves artistically. This kit provides everything needed to create beautiful marbled paint designs. Kids can transfer these designs to the included sheets for display or gifting. Their artwork will surely impress family and friends. Kids can craft 4 nature-themed pottery pieces with the materials provided. They'll make ornaments and a ring dish, and they can personalize them with paints. They can proudly display their creations or give them as gifts. This product is developed by Blue Marble, a Toy of the Year award winner. The company focuses on fostering education, imagination, and creativity. They also have a US support team to ensure a great experience. What we like? This kit combines mosaic, marbling, and pottery projects into one amazing package. It provides a diverse range of activities to keep kids entertained. If you are looking for a kit that offers variety and multiple art forms, you should consider this. What people say. Grandson loves it. He was able to use part of it in a science fair. The National Geographic Mega Arts Kit is a fantastic set for kids who love to explore different artistic activities. It comes with a great variety of materials, including rock painting, scratch art, and colored sand, which kept my child engaged for hours. The instructions are clear, and the quality of the materials is excellent. Between the marbling, mosaics, and air-dry clay, my 9-year-old has been in creative heaven, and honestly, so have I, minus the glitter situation in my kitchen, but we're surviving. It kept her entertained for hours, which in parent terms equals peace and quiet. The instructions are clear, the materials are good quality, and there's a great variety of projects. She was especially proud of her little mosaic masterpiece and clay bowl that is now a home for 3 buttons and a mystery rock. Number 3. National Geographic Marbling Paint Kit for Kids. Unleash your inner artist with this amazing kit. It allows kids to create stunning marbled paint designs. They can then transfer them to paper for display or gifting. This all-in-one kit has everything they need to get started. It includes paper, paints, a tray, a water thickener, styluses, a dropper, and easy instructions. It's all there. It's easy to use. First, mix the water and thickener. Then, add paint, create a design, and dip the paper. It's a fun and simple process. The included guide teaches kids about the history of paint marbling. They'll learn how it's been used for centuries. It's educational and fun. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not satisfied, let us know. We'll make it right. What we like. This kit focuses on the unique art of marbling, allowing kids to create stunning designs. It includes everything needed and easy instructions. If you like the idea of learning a new art technique while creating beautiful artwork, you should consider this. What people say. This activity was not only fun to create, but easy to follow directions. My 5-year-old grandson was able to follow the instructions and create some amazing pictures. This paint marbling kit is easy to set up and easy cleanup. Number 2. Dan&Darci Marbling Paint Art Kit for Kids. Tired of painting on paper? This kit offers a unique experience. It allows you to create stunning artwork using water and a special painting process. Layer the paint, smear it, drag it, and transfer it to the paper. Once dry, you'll have beautiful marble painted art. Follow the simple instructions to create fantastic art. The kit includes a design tray, 5 paint colors, carrageenan powder, a spoon, pipette, spreader, 3 styluses, and 10 art sheets. Everything you need is in the box. This is a perfect STEM project that will fascinate children. The assembly is fun, and the final result is immensely satisfying. It's a great gift for all ages. With this kit, you can create unique and beautiful marble paintings. It's a fun and engaging activity that sparks creativity. Get ready to be amazed by what you can create. What we like. This kit lets you paint on water, creating amazing marble effects. The process is simple and fun, making it a great STEM project. If you are looking for a unique and engaging art experience, you should consider this. What people say. Wonderful, fun and creative project ideas. Easy to use. Very vibrant colors. Number 1. Dan&Darci Gem Art Kit for Kids. This kit from Dan&Darci lets kids transform their imagination into sparkling art. They can create dazzling unicorns, rainbows, and rockets. It's a fun way to bring their ideas to life. With over 3,000 gems, every project will pop with vibrant color and sparkle. The more gems they use, the more brilliant their creations become. It's a visual feast. The kit includes everything needed to start crafting right away. It comes with a stylus, wax, keychains, sun catchers, and hologram stickers. Everything is ready to go. Kids can adorn their bags and windows with gem art keychains and sun catchers. They are perfect for gifting to friends and family. It's a great way to share their creations. This kit helps enhance fine motor skills, patience, and focus. It's where fun meets education. They will learn and grow while having a blast. It's a bonding activity for kids and adults. They can craft beautiful keepsakes together. It's a great way to spend quality time. This kit provides hours of engaging, creative play. It's ideal for any day and any mood. They will never get bored. What we like. This kit allows kids to create dazzling art with gems, offering a sparkling and vibrant experience. It includes everything needed to start crafting right away. If you like the idea of creating sparkling art and want a complete kit, you should consider this. What people say. Very fun and quality product, kept an 8-year-old occupied and happy. Great art project for lower elementary age girls. You need to remove a plastic sheet from the picture in order to get the sticky part. The colors of the gems are very vibrant and pretty. These make a beautiful craft and she was so proud of the ones she completed. The size was perfect too, just big enough she wasn't overwhelmed and was able to complete. Very easy to use, great for their dexterity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.